Hi all, so welcome back to Bootcamp 2021 by TechBridge. We are going to continue the second module of Azure Administration here. So I'm going to demonstrate today about Azure Virtual Machine. So let's go ahead. Uh, Again, there's a small introduction about me. I'm Aditi Srivastav and I already have trained more than 3,000 of the students across the globe. I am certified and normally I'm in this outcome-centric training basically for TechBridge platform. TechBridge, I guess there is no need of introduction, but yes, it is global at Tech platform and we are not only up to the training, we are in several other departments like training, placement, certifications and bootcamps. So let's continue here. Index for the day. We are going to cover here virtual machine introduction and planning overview, VM image and instance size. So what's the need of virtual machine? What is virtual machine and how to plan it? Like if you do not have a plan, if you do not have a need, so why would you go for launching a virtual machine, right? And you need to plan it, like whatever the size is there, whatever the image OS you are selecting. So it should be according to your work. Later on, you can scale it up, scale it down. It's other thing. We would be discussing it later on. VM extensions are there, virtual machine connections are there, and virtual machine high availability. High availability in the high availability architecture, we already have discussed. If you want to see the description about that, you can go to my particular module of high availability architecture. I explained in very detailed what is geography, region, zone, everything. But here also I'll have to demonstrate you a bit because here scaling and load balancing is a part of this VM module. So I will again demonstrate you, and if you want to have a detailed description, you can follow my video on high availability architecture. So thanks for the day. Keep me following up. I would be continuing with all these topics in the later videos. Thanks for the day.